Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Lululemon San Diego State Steady State Pullover Hoodie. So this is the Steady State Pullover Hoodie from Lululemon, size medium. Has the San Diego State logo patch on the left chest. Really nice, high quality. And then it is the Lululemon Steady State Pullover Hoodie in color black. Really nice kangaroo pouch up front. Nice soft fit. Basically, it's just the black Lululemon Steady State Pullover Hoodie with the San Diego State patch on the left chest. Really nice touch. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.